didn't know you could drink while you're breastfeeding.
Yeah, they say the yeast in beer helps with milk production.
I'm pretty sure that's a myth. Let me check.
Ruin it for me and I'll break this glass over your head.
To denial.
I'm gonna get another. You want food?
Yeah, breastfeeding burns like 5,000 calories a day. Do not touch that phone.
Benny,
Oh, Zach, hey!
what are the odds of running into you here?
Well, it's a bar, so pretty good. What's new?
Oh, tons of stuff. Put artificial grass in my backyard, got engaged, had a scary mole that turned out to be Sharpie.
Well, congratulations!
That's what my dermatologist said.
No, I'm getting engaged. Good for you.
Oh, thanks. How about you? Hey, how's Leonard? Is he still smart?
Yes, he's working for the government on an infinite persistence gyroscope. Of course, the first time I say it right, he's not even here.
I love that little guy. Hey, we should all have dinner sometime.
Yeah, sure, I'll check with Leonard.
Cool. I'll check with Sarah. Sarah, pull up my calendar. It never works for me.